March 13th, and I think I got something here. Yeah, it's a little blade, something. We're just getting out here and looking. Mike's over there. Get back to you if we find any more. Alright, I got Mike right here with me. So I already found these two things. We've been on this gravel bar for what, Mike? Like
10 minutes.
10 minutes? And then I came across this one here.
I walked right past it.
A little side notch, it looks like. A little damage on the tip there. Well, we'll get back to you if we find any more. Alright, here's some additional stuff. Mike ended up finding this tip of a blade. And I found this broken tool here. There's a fossil right in there. That's probably why it broke. And here's that little side notch again. Not too bad. Hopefully we'll get out this weekend and find some more.